my popcorn.
I wonder when Tom's getting back.
Shh, this is the best part. Oh,
I hope he's okay.
oh, don't worry. He's only a zombie pirate.
No, I mean Tom.
Oh, he'll be fine.
Ah, my dream house. Everything's gonna be fine.
Hello, new neighbour. What are you doing here then?
Oh, no reason. Just that my stupid friends gave my room to our stupid old housemate who's totally stupid with his magic sofas and his stupid red hoodie, and no one even appreciates my awesome harpoon gun. So anyway, I left and now I'm homeless. My friends are stupid.
Friends? Pah, who needs friends when you've got rat puppets? Come on, lads, let's put on a show. Bit. Oh, he's gone.
Oh, Stacy, I'm glad there are no insane zombie pirates from hell to ruin our romantic dinner on this haunted pirate ship.
Your brains.
Oh, no! This is not what I ordered. No tip for you, mister.
At last, I will be complete again.
Hey, Todd!
Hello, Ed. This is just my old, laundry room.
Okay. Oh, look! Buttons!
No, don't press that.
Did someone say buttons? I love buttons!
House defense systems active.
Oh no.
Hey, Matt! I bet I can press more buttons than you can.
Oh yeah? Well, I'll show you.
No.
Someone please wipe my memories.
Ooh! This is a big button!
No!
My face.
Todd.
Wow, what a mess. Who wants to go out for ice cream?
Me?
That's the spirit. Who is my brave soldier? Ed, you coming?
Sure.
One house, please.
Sure thing. What kind of hut? Okay, how much money are you?
Ah, my own place. That crazy homeless man was right. I don't need friends. I know when I'm not. Wanted.
Cola with bacon, now in diet.
Hey, it's Tom.
Who?
I think something's wrong.
Ah, Tom! What are you doing here?
I was gonna ask you the same thing. Why are you here?
Okay, you got me. I only came back to get something I left behind.
Left behind what?
This. My hat!
Oh.
Why? What did you think I was going to do? Besides, it goes really well with my giant robot.
Wait, what? Holy...
Hey! What's all the racket?
It's not a racket, it's a rocket.
Meanwhile, in the FNF world.
Among Us!
But I thought we were friends!
No! What would I need friends for when I've got this?
Back to Ed's world.
Got this! I'm unstoppable!
I told you that harpoon gun would be useful.
I guess we need a new house.
Well, actually, I did find a place.
Here's the last box of things we got from the house.
Thanks. Put it with the rest.
Lucky you bought this place when you did.
Yeah. Shame there's only room for me, though. The pictures made it look a lot bigger.
My new place isn't much bigger. Matt's just finished redecorating his. Perfect. Well, I guess it's time for me to go.
But you just got here.
I'm gonna miss this old place.
This is the first time you've ever been here.
Yep. Whole lot of memories.
See you around, Ed.
See ya, Tom.
Howdy, neighbor.
Hey, Matt.
Wanna watch Insane Zombie Pirates 5?
Sure.
It is I, Dr. DeCappy. I will get you once and for all, Bendy.
Hey, Tom.
Yeah?
I've always wondered, why are your eyes black?
Yeah. Why is that?
Well, it's a funny story, actually. It all started when I was younger, and I'm a parent now.
Tom, you're mumbling. Tom, I can't. What?
Hey guys, so I did not animate this, but I did copy the video and edit some stuff like the Friday Funkin' part and the cutscene of the Mario Madness cutscene when the mod starts, and yeah, that's the only thing I edit. Same with the meanwhile things, and yeah. So hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. And comment down below what else should I make into a Friday Funkin' video, because this was hard to make but actually really fun at the same time. So hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.
Hey everyone, Tom here. I want to thank you all so much for making Eddsworld Legacy possible, especially the animators and the donators. This is my last episode with the show, and I'm now handing control of it back over to Ed's family. So, thank you again, and goodbye.
EDDSWORLD.
Bibbidi beep biddy beep. And that's the story of EDDSWORLD. What do you think?
Hey, that's not what happened. I'm fine. Oh, rats.